Hey guys, this is Izzedine here from Raqmedia.com. Today we show you how to install the latest version of VS Code on both Windows and macOS. Welcome back. If you are planning to learn programming, web development, Python, AI, or even build your own applications, there's one tool you absolutely need to install first: Visual Studio Code. Now this video will show you the fastest way to install the latest version of VS Code on both Windows and macOS. But here's something even better. I've also written a complete step-by-step guide on Raqmedia.com that includes download links, recommended extensions, setup tips, keyboard shortcuts, and solutions to common installation problems. So after watching this video, make sure you check out the full article linked in the description below. It'll help you get your development environment set up the right way from day one. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite web browser, search for Raqmedia Visual Studio Code download, or check the link below to get the official links and full tutorial. You'll see download options for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Always make sure you're downloading VS Code from the official Microsoft website. Simply choose the version that matches your operating system. If you're using Windows, click the Windows installer. If you're using a Mac, click the macOS download button. The download only takes a few moments. Once it's finished, open the installer. On Windows, simply accept the license agreement and click Next. You can leave the default installation location unless you have a specific reason to change it. When you reach the additional task screen, I recommend enabling all the available options. These include creating a desktop shortcut, adding VS Code to your system path, and adding the Open with Code option to the Windows context menu. These options make VS Code much easier to use later. Now click Install. Within a minute or two, Visual Studio Code will be installed on your computer. Once the installation finishes, click Finish and VS Code will launch automatically. If you are using macOS, the process is even simpler. Open the downloaded DMG file and drag Visual Studio Code into your Applications folder. Then launch it from Launchpad or Spotlight Search. That's it. Now let's create our very first project inside VS Code. Click File and choose Open Folder. Create a new folder anywhere on your computer. For this example, I'll call it My First Website. Open that folder. Now click the New File button and create a file named index.html. As soon as you create the file, VS Code automatically recognizes it as an HTML document. Type an exclamation mark and press Enter. VS Code instantly generates a complete HTML5 template for you. This saves a lot of time when starting new web projects. Now let's add a simple heading type, Hello World. Save the file. If you double-click the HTML file or open it in your favorite browser, you'll immediately see your web page displayed. Congratulations! You've just created your first project using Visual Studio Code, but VS Code is much more than an HTML editor. It supports almost every programming language you can think of: Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C and C++, PHP, Go, Rust, and many more. One of the biggest reasons developers love VS Code is its huge extension marketplace. With just a few clicks, you can install extensions for AI coding assistants, GitHub integration, Docker, Jupyter notebooks, database management, remote development, and hundreds of other tools. You can completely customize the editor to match your workflow. Here's another tip: if you're just starting your programming journey, Don't install dozens of extensions immediately, begin with the essentials. As your projects become more advanced, you can gradually add extensions that improve your productivity without cluttering your workspace. Now, before we continue learning more programming tools, take a second to subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who's starting their coding journey. A proper development setup is the first step toward becoming a successful developer, and this video could save someone hours of confusion. And if you're interested in AI programming, web development, Python, or software engineering, you're definitely in the right place. Before you go, don't forget to visit the detailed guide on Raqmedia.com. The article linked in the description includes direct download links, recommended VS Code extensions, performance optimization tips, useful keyboard shortcuts, and troubleshooting solutions if you run into installation problems. It's the perfect companion to this video, so make sure you check it out after watching. Leave a comment below letting me know what programming language you're learning first. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Raqmedia for more AI tutorials, tech tools, and productivity hacks. This is your host, Ezzedine, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.